iPhone XR launched September 2018. More than 2 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. iPhone XR built by Gorilla Glass front and back and aluminum frame P700 series. So iPhone XR build quality very strong. iPhone XR comes with 6.1-inch IPS LCD display with resolution 828 into 1719 pixel with 79% skin to body ratio, and phone also IP67 dust and water resistant. iPhone XR launched with iOS 12. Now 2021 is running iOS 14.4 and iOS 15 coming very soon. This phone running iOS 14, so you can get all the iOS feature like iPhone 12 series. XR using chipset Apple A12 Bionic chipset with 3GB RAM. You can play any types of game in a very high graphics easily. If you guys compare Apple A14 Bionic chipset and Apple A12 Bionic chipset, you can't find any big difference. I'm already compare and speed test between iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone XS Max on my YouTube channel. Video link in my video description line below. After this video, go there and watch this video. So let's move on to the main video. iPhone XR comes with single 12 megapixel camera with 1.8 aperture with quad LED and dual flash, and 7 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080p video, and you also record 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video. So now talk about the photo quality. You can take very good photo with very good details with this phone. The picture quality is super. But when you click a night picture, you can't take a very good photo because this phone can't have any night mode because iPhone 11 and 12 series have a night mode. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by the face unlock. Face unlock speed very fast. iPhone XR powered by 2942 mAh battery with 5W charger. It also supports 15W fast charger. You can charge 50% in just 30 minutes. So the question is, iPhone XR is still worth it 2021? Definitely this one is still worth it 2021. If your budget is low and you want to use any iPhone, so iPhone XR is best for you. Because this one have a very powerful chipset and this one also have a very good camera. And you also get iOS 15 update in very soon, so you can get all the latest iOS feature on your iPhone XR. Okay, this is all about iPhone XR. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.